What we were spending before was basically just to run all the heaters continuously, because the pool is, we have lap swimmers that come down here when the gates are open, and we'd like to keep it warm year round. And for a pool this size, it's not inexpensive. My name's Paul Hagerty. I'm the president of the Homeowners Association here. We got some great neighbors, some great amenities. I love this place. I'm dedicated to making sure that it stays that way for forever. Sometimes I like to come down and get in the pool in the middle of the winter, and it's still heated, so it's nice to have a heated pool that doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. A pool this size, to keep it heated without solar panels, is quite expensive, and I can tell you that because I've seen the numbers. We have our residents have requested that we heat the pool year round. The mothers that want to have their kids get into the pool, get into the kiddie pool, for those of us that have children, especially small children, sometimes it's difficult to keep them amused. And that's what this is. It's an amusement park. We have 3 heaters just for the big pool, and then there's a heater for the kiddie pool and a heater for the jacuzzi. We did have the pre-existing solar heating panels, but they were archaic, and they developed a leak and they got shut off. And I look at that and I go, well, you know, what is it that we had that was working, and it had a lifespan like everything else does. And it reached its lifespan, and it was time to either replace it or refresh it or renew it in some fashion. So I thought, well, let's find out what state of the art is these days. And that's what led me to you guys. And I've never been sorry. You know, everybody talks about rebates like we're going to get something for nothing, but it means to me, rebate means that you're going to spend money and we're going to give you value for your dollar. And the value for the dollar here was involved with knowing that the company, that SolarTech, was going to be able to, and they were the only one in Southern California or in the entire Southwest region that I could find that was willing to go the extra mile and get the rebate from the state, give us the panels that we were going to at a decent price, because when you're dealing with a budget as large as what we have, for what we're paying for this, it's a bargain at twice the price.